I just wanted to do a quick benefits and risks. Is that benefits why you want to own your own thing? It's so there's no vendor lock-in. You don't have to stick with one vendor like Shopify or something that you might not be agreeing with, or you might not like the schedules or product features that they have or lack of. You own your own store, your data, your customer relationships, massive ecosystem of developers, plugins, integrations, the total customization to fit your own brand. So it's like a fully customizable to your own need and community driven innovation that moves faster than any single company, which we mentioned a little earlier. But because of that, because it's open source, it's free and you can do whatever you want, there's a risks that comes with it. So like no single company is responsible. Just going off to what Matt was saying in the beginning, I was like, who do I talk to use this? There's no such thing. If something breaks, there's no single point of contact that you can go back and ask for it. And depending on who you hire, plugins or themes or whatever, code quality might vary widely. And also security, because of that, security depends on entirely on how you implement this and maintain. So this freedom to customize is also the freedom to make a mess.
Well, OpenAI was supposed to be open source,
Eh.
hence the open part, I think.
I remember the conversation. I think it was didn't Elon Musk has had a fight with the or like this huge disagreement with Sam Altman.
Yeah, I don't remember all the details of this. I mean, this wasn't even all that long ago at this point. It's weird, but yeah. I mean, it was supposed to be an open source thing, and then they decided for the better of humanity, they would close it. I'm sure it's totally for our
Yeah.
benefit.
Yeah. I remember because that's how we came up with Grok X AI stuff because he
Right,
didn't agree with that.
right.
Um, but yeah, I mean, like the whole foundation of open source, it's open source foundation, and there's also open source portion to it, like
Yeah,
Llama or whatever Llama, and all those things are still open source, and and like this whole open claw, which is a crazy up and comer. What was that? It was like a 6 million downloads in 72 hours or something like that.
mhm.
So that's part of that too. And then since it's evolving so fast, ever since OpenClaw was introduced, I noticed a bunch of different LLMs adopt this agent mode to parody that.
Yeah,
So
well, before I before OpenClaw, there was this whole concept of sub-agents and spinning up sub-agents, but I don't feel like any of them, like, did it well. It was all SaaS, companies that had created this ability to, like, create your own company. All of your finance and all your things would be sub-agents, and I guess that might have caught on somewhere, but I could never, like, really get it to work
mhm,
enough versus OpenClaw, where it's it seems to communicate, and there's been advances on LLMs where we got Opus 4.5 and now 4.6, where it actually can almost communicate as a not a human, but like it can communicate and understand the language a lot better, I feel like,
yeah,
which allows it to then take my not really prompts, but my chat and then do its thing as far as spinning up other agents and managing other agents.
yeah, and yeah, I stay corrected. OpenClaw was actually downloaded 60,000 plus GitHub stars in 72 hours when
Okay.
it came out.